Hello, I'm Philip Stoten for EMS Now. I'm here at Productronica 2013 in Munich, and I'm joined by Heike Schlessmann from SEHO. Heike, thanks for stopping by to chat. Start by telling me what SEHO have new for the show and what you're promoting here.
We're introducing our new product family Select line, which is a completely modular selective soldering system. You know, time always plays a key role in electronics manufacturing, and this system really offers a very high degree of flexibility so that no changeover is required to really process a high variety of different assemblies with short cycle times. The system consists basically of different modules, which is a fluxing module, a preheat module and a combi module, which covers another preheat section and the soldering section itself. And these modules, they can be combined as needed, and there's also the option to upgrade the selective soldering system at a later date with additional modules.
Okay.
With the Select line, we are introducing a completely new feature in the fluxing area. So multiple axes are used to perform the fluxing process simultaneously. And for the first time, it's really now possible that you flux symmetric and also mirror symmetric panels at the same time, and this really gives an incredible high flexibility. So users really can, on the one hand, run mixed productions, on the other hand, can increase their throughput. Of course, this flexibility is also continued in the soldering section. So we have different soldering pots there, which can be used with different solder nozzles, either completely wetted or with a directed solder flow to one side. They also work in parallel to increase the throughput of the production line. And we hold a few patents, new patents on new functions which are incorporated in that system. And one of these outstanding features is really an automatic ultrasonic cleaning device for wetted nozzles. You maybe know that soiled nozzles really can affect the process. And with this automatic ultrasonic cleaning, we automatically dissolve residues from the nozzle and ensure complete and new wetting of the complete solder nozzle. And this, on the one hand, doesn't cost time, on the other hand, really also increases the lifetime of the solder nozzle and always gives you a very reliable process.
Okay, so big new launch actually.
Oh yes.
And selective soldering seems to be gaining ground at the moment.
Oh, yeah.
I was at a facility in Poland a couple of weeks ago with 17 production lines, and we worked out that their changeover from the conventional reflow ovens was costing them close to one whole line in production with the number of changeovers. Is that the kind of demands that have driven this, the requirement for this technology? Is it consumer electronics? What markets?
Well, actually you will find our systems in all areas of automated soldering, or in all areas of electronics production. Because of the flexibility and modular design of that system, it is really possible to use it in all areas, means from low volume production up to high mix, high volume manufacturing. And yes, our main customer base is in automotive industry, military industry, medicines, electronics, everywhere where high volume and high flexibility is needed.
Yeah, and I guess the EMS companies, particularly here, the medium-sized Tier 2, Tier 3 in Germany would be very excited by that.
Exactly.
Yeah, and in terms of what's going on in the market, 2013 seems to have been a bit of an up and down year, a bit strange. What's it look like for you, and what are you predicting for next year?
Yeah, it was an exciting year, definitely. We had a fantastic start into 2013, and very, very good business development during the first half. There was a little slowdown by the middle of the year, but if we will look on the projects we are working on right now, we really see strength coming back to the market in terms of investment. Also the interest in new technologies, so we are very positive for the next year.
Yeah, and do you think things like, we're hearing a lot of talk about Industry 4.0, we're hearing a lot of talk about 03015s, different technology drivers. Do you think there's a new kind of R&D development going on in Germany that really is pushing the market forward?
Yeah. we really see a clear trend into a higher degree of automation and also automated process controls. And our engineers actually started working into this direction very early, so that we always have been one step ahead. We can offer with our soldering systems different kind of software solutions to ensure this automated process controls, to collect the data and analyze them, provide them to other networks like for Industry 4.0 needed. So we are prepared, we are waiting for the challenges, and we are looking forward to that.
Well, Heike, you always have to stay one step ahead, and clearly you are. Thank you very much for your time. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you.
Thank you, Phil.